feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Oh, we started?
Yeah.
Sorry. It's been a minute. It's been a minute. Well, welcome back, ladies and gents. I know it's been a minute since we've done anything on the channel. So, sorry about the wind. It's kind of a crappy day to be going to do what we're going to do, but whatever, I guess. So, what we got planned is we're going to take the old Volkswagen here with the stock motor 4.8. And we're going to
4-point great.
Yeah. And we're going to go make some Dragy hits, see what she runs on the Dragy, give us a baseline of what it runs in the quarter, because we actually haven't taken this on the track yet. So we don't know what it runs 8th mile, don't know what the 60 foot is, don't know nothing. So we're going to go make some Dragy runs, give us a baseline, and then that way we have a baseline, so when we put the 6 liter back in it, we have something to go by, see actually how much faster the 6 liter is versus, you know, a stock 4.8. So figured we'd include you guys in on the ride today, and we're gonna go wake up my sleeping dad from his nap, and we're gonna go have some fun. Okay, guys, so looks like old man Jenkins is
It's nappy nap time.
yeah, it's nappy nap time. He doesn't want to enjoy the or partake in the festivities. So I kind of jolted his neck last night when we did a transbrake launch, and I don't think he heard me saying I was going to do it. So he says his neck's kind of bugging him. So he's like, well, just go do it. So I guess me and old Moody here, we're going to go do it. So. What do you think she's going to run?
Mid-12. Low to mid-12 because of the weight.
Yeah. Scratch, scratch, scratch.
Yep. Oh, don't forget, stop so I can get Red Bull.
Okay.
Got
Hey,
it.
you know, you can hold that camera just a little bit better so they're not looking up your nose. I don't think anybody wants to look up your nose.
Cameraman fail, 101.
God, it hasn't been that long.
It's been a while.
So you lose your ability to hold a camera?
Last season,
Jeez,
we
this
haven't
guy.
been doing anything.
I'm gonna have to hire a new camera guy, I think.
Hire.
Yeah.
Hire?
Yeah.
I was volunteered.
Who works on your stuff?
Exactly. We volunteered to be partners.
I see you in there. Oh, hello. Hello, Christian Mosier. I see you.
Oh, got my Red Bull. I'm good to go.
And they call me Princess.
What's up? Gotta have my drink.
All right.
Do coffee.
Let's go do this.
Out and about with Keith Grosdad in the wild.
It's a little cold out here.
Yeah, this wind is no fun.
So we made it out to El Mexico. So I'm just getting the Dragy set up. We'll get the GoPro fired up inside. Christian will get me backed up into the spot over here. We'll do a burnout. I mean, you guys know how to make a drag pass. Okay. In cab. First drag pass in the Volkswagen. I've never even strapped into this car yet. This is going to be all new. All right, we're strapped in. Damn it. Start the car before you strap in because you won't be able to grab the key. Good for thought. Okay. Good? Good? Okay, I guess we're good.
God, for a little 4.8, that thing moves out. Now, that sounded like a good pass. That was clean.
Set this real quick. Okay. We are good to go, ladies and gents. Whew. First pass of the season. Okay, she ain't as fast as I thought.
No? What was it?
It said it ran a 1310.
Oh my. We were both off by quite a bit.
Yeah. So, here, I don't know if you want to sit in here so that way you're not fighting the wind.
Oh, absolutely.
The report is a 21160. So pretty slow. I mean, it's pretty mellow out of the hole. It's a 4.8. It doesn't have much torque.
Yeah.
5.61 to the 330. Eighth mile was an 8.49 at 85. And I'll put a screenshot of this up in the video so that way you guys can look as we're going along. 1,000 foot was 10.98 at 97. And the quarter mile was 13.10 at 105. So, I mean, I don't expect much out of this stock 220,000 mile 4.8. But let the motor cool down for a minute, and then we'll do another one and see if maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll change the front shock settings. I mean, this car is all brand new. We don't know nothing. We don't, like, this is like the first true baseline. Okie dokie. We're gonna do another pass. The only thing I changed was I let out some air in the back tires. So we'll see what happens with just doing that. I don't know what the pressure is. I didn't bring a gauge, which I should have, but that's okay. If we could hit a high 12 out here, 1290, that would be freaking rad. So I'll do a little bit hotter over burnout. Maybe that might help get it to hook up, because going back and rewatching the video, it did spin some right off the initial hit, which could be just because of tire temp. That, and we're on chip seal road, so there's just not a lot of rubber. Okay, so I don't know how, but it went slower to the 60. That was a 213 60, which it felt way better.
It sounded better.
850 in the 8th, and then it ran a 1311 at 104. Which this thing just doesn't, like, when you grab third gear, it just doesn't pull very good. But like I said, I don't expect much. This is just a baseline for this car. Okay, so this will probably be our last one. What I did was made a shock adjustment in the front. I loosened it up 2 clicks, and then I'm not gonna launch it clear up at as high as the converter will go. So I'll probably only bring it up. I think, like I said, I think it's been doing it at 3,300, so I'll probably bring it up to about 2,900. And then we'll see what it does. Good burnout. Ladies and gents, technical difficulties. All right, make sure this is reset. All right, you guys ready to go? I sure as hell am. All right. Should we do one with you in here?
Si, senor.
Okay. I'll do a little one to clean off the tires. All right. Ready?
Yep.
On that pass, I didn't have the Dragy app open, but somehow it still logged it, which I thought the app had to always be open, so it logged that pass with both of us. Dude, the 60 foot was a 1.96. Like, I know it felt good, but dude, that's like what, a 10th right there?
Yeah, off of cold tires pretty much.
I mean, I did a little bit to clean them off, but...
Well, yeah, you didn't smoke them though. Just...
Yeah.
Dude.
8th mile was an 8.44, and then of course the quarter was a 13.14, so it slowed down in the quarter, but that's probably just because of the added weight of him.
Yeah.
Mile an hour is down to 102. But dude, we went into the like 1.9s for 60 on the street.
Heck yeah. Little 4-point grade.
So Christian had to go home early yesterday, so didn't get a chance to finish wrapping up this video, so I figured might as well just do it now. yesterday was definitely a good day, definitely fun. Learned a lot about the car. Definitely a lot of stuff that we can improve on. Of course, there's always an improvement in new cars. I'm excited to get the 6-liter back in the car, so that way we can actually start dialing this guy in, and I have a feeling it's going to be a really good, essentially like no prep car in a way. I mean, it is big tire because it does have 31/16.5s on the back, but even that big of a tire and that small motor, I mean, we were still kind of fighting traction issues a little bit out there. I feel like once we get the transbrake hooked up through the computer, you know, being able to set an RPM limit, being able to pull timing on the leave, and then actually putting down some sticky, that car should be able to leave pretty good and be fast. So I'm pretty excited for that. Like I said, it was just wanted to get a baseline for the car. So, well, I appreciate everybody tuning in and watching. I have lots more content coming up, a lot of stuff to do with my Mustang, the Volkswagen, of course, and then I have some other cars that you guys will be seeing. I got Dustin's car that's going to be coming here pretty quick for some work, and some other customer cars, so maybe I might include you guys in on that. I also have a little Ranger pickup that I'm going to be putting together. So yeah, I mean, I have lots of stuff. Excited to get it all, excited to start doing it all. We got race season starting up, so just keep you guys peeled. Catch you guys in the next one.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.